Hi ESL2, this is Miss Rico. This week we are going to start talking about inferences. Say that slowly. Inferences. Inferences. Now, that's a big word that really means a good guess. You take what you know and what you see or what you read, and you make a guess or a prediction about what's going to happen. So, to do that, we have a little game, a riddle game. A riddle means a guessing game. So, ready? Go back to Google Classroom and click on that link on the announcement. That will take you to the riddle game. So it should have a clue there already. Hold on, I'm going to go back to the beginning. Okay, so my first clue is I begin in the morning. What begins in the morning? Well, school. School begins in the morning. So down here where it says make a guess, I'm going to type school. Oh, try another clue, then guess again. Okay, that's not right. At sunrise. Okay, you know what the sun is. Rise means go up. So, I guess school wasn't right. Not sure yet though. Let's look at another clue. And last until sunset. Maybe you have an idea. If you have one, type it in. Yester is always the one before. Yester, what word do we know with yester? Yesterday. A day begins in the morning when the sun comes up and lasts until sunset when the sun goes down. Okay, I'll try day. Check. Yep, that's correct. Okay. Now, some of these riddles are harder than others. So I made a list here. Today, I want you to try riddles 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 11. If those are way too easy and you have extra time, try some of these, but at least do these 6. Now, the way you skip to a riddle, let's say I want to do number 5, is here. Next to this go to box, I type 5, go to number 5. And then do clues until you know what it is. Good luck!